Elevated groin stretch strength exercise. For this, you're going to need a box or something that you can put your foot on. We're going to go into this split stance where the working leg is going to be on top of that box. For the leg on the box, we can start with our toes pointing to the sky. That's going to give us more effort into our hamstrings. Over time, if we can, we're going to look to get our foot down and flat on the box. This can be quite difficult if you've got limited ankle mobility, so doing it in this position is absolutely fine, but this is just going to put more effort into our groin compared to having our toes to the sky. In your foot position, we're going to start off with the easier version. We're going to be leaning down, and as we're coming down, we're going to be slowly working our way towards that foot. We're going to feel a nice big stretch through the inside of our leg here, coming right up into the top of our pelvis. And then we're going to push our foot down into the box and drive up from this leg. You are going to feel this a little bit into the side of your back as well, your QL muscles here. But predominantly we should be feeling it in this leg and only starting to feel it in our back when we're getting towards the final reps. We want to try and avoid leaning forwards. So this arm needs to stay on our leg. If the arm starts floating off your leg, the chances are you're pushing your hips back or you're rounding through the top of your back. So chest up and try and just go sideways without going forwards. To progress the exercise, you're going to take some weight in the form of a kettlebell or dumbbell. We're going to do exactly the same position. So find that stance, work your foot out until you feel that stretch already on the inside of the leg. And then we're going to lean down. Now we can relax, let this weight pull you down as low as you can go. So really big stretch now through this leg. And then we're going to resist that weight, push up against it to build the strength element. We'd then repeat that for reps. Once you're comfortable at that lower position, we're then going to increase the height of the box or platform you're using. We're looking to roughly get to a position where our leg is almost horizontal. We're then going to start with no weight again because we've made it harder by raising up the box. Test that out, and if that's feeling okay, we're just going to do the same progression of adding some weight into that exercise, except now our leg is just that much higher. We're getting a much deeper stretch into the top of our hip on the inside and also on the outside and working our back.